What is up, guys? If you're looking for the best way to cook fast, healthy, and crispy food in 2025, you need the right air fryer. Forget the research. We've explored the 4 most trusted models right now. Let's get you cooking. Number 1. Turbo Blaze 6.0 Quart Air Fryer. The Turbo Blaze 6.0 Quart Air Fryer is built for families or anyone who loves cooking in larger batches. It has a spacious 6-quart basket, digital touchscreen controls, and multiple preset modes. The sleek design makes it fit nicely in any modern kitchen. In everyday use, the Turbo Blaze heats up quickly and cooks evenly. Chicken wings, fries, and even baked goods come out crispy without excess oil. It's also very easy to clean. The non-stick basket just wipes down in seconds. If you're looking for a reliable, large-capacity air fryer with simple controls and consistent cooking results, the Turbo Blaze is a great choice for families or meal preppers. Number 2. Ninja Crispy 4-in-1 Portable Glass Air Fryer. The Ninja Crispy 4-in-1 is a unique design that combines portability with versatility. It's compact, has a stylish glass body, and includes 4 functions: air fry, bake, roast, and reheat, perfect for small kitchens or dorm rooms. In testing, this air fryer is very beginner-friendly. It doesn't take up much counter space, and despite being smaller, it cooks surprisingly evenly. Fries come out crispy, and reheating leftovers is faster than a microwave while keeping food fresh. If you need a space-saving, stylish, and multi-use air fryer, the Ninja Crispy is a smart option for students, small households, or anyone who wants portability without sacrificing performance. Number 3. Chefman Multifunctional Air Fryer. The Chefman Multifunctional Air Fryer is a tech powerhouse. With multiple cooking modes, a large viewing window, and a sleek touchscreen interface, it's designed for people who like control and variety in their cooking. From cooking chicken tenders to roasting vegetables, the Chefman performs consistently well. The digital presets make it simple, but you can also adjust time and temperature for more precision. The window is especially handy. You can check food without opening the basket. If you want a versatile, tech-friendly air fryer that balances size, features, and price, the Chefman Multifunctional is one of the best options in 2025. Number 4. Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer AF300 UK. The Ninja Foodi Dual Zone AF300 UK is a game changer. It has 2 independent cooking zones, meaning you can cook 2 different foods at once with separate times and temperatures. It's built for multitaskers and families. In daily cooking, the dual zone feature saves a lot of time. You can cook chicken in one basket and fries in the other, and both finish at the same time thanks to the sync function. It's powerful, cooks fast, and delivers crispy results every time. If you often cook for multiple people or love preparing different dishes at once, the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone is hands down the most efficient and versatile option.